In the AI in Action series, I'll show you how you can combine the power of AI tools with non-AI tools to streamline your daily tasks and optimize your workflow. Through these tutorials, you'll learn how to leverage the latest AI technologies to work smarter, not harder. In this episode, I'll show you how AI can help you create a Shopify store easily. Let's get started. Part 1. Store name. Ask ChatGPT to research store names in your niche using AHREFS data. In this example, I asked ChatGPT to create SEO-friendly shop name ideas according to their SEO score. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, please watch my video about it. The link is provided in the description. Part 2. Create Shopify store. Step 1. Open the Shopify website, and use my link in the description to get a $1 Shopify promo. Enter your email address and click Start Free Trial. Follow the instructions. Step 2. Choose your store name, and customize your Shopify URL if desired. Click Next, and select your country. Step 3. Create your Shopify ID with your email, Apple, Facebook, or Google account. Set your password, and click Create Shopify ID. Wait for the shop generation process to complete. Part 3. Pick Shopify plan from your store admin page. Click the Pick a Plan button. Choose a plan that matches your needs. Select your billing cycle, fill in your business information, and select a payment method. In this example, I'm using PayPal. Connect your PayPal account, and click Start Plan to finish the payment process. After payment is complete, don't forget to verify your email address. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can follow my step-by-step guide. The link is provided in the description. Part 4. Connect your domain. If you want to use your custom domain, follow these steps. If not, you can use your Shopify address. If you want to register a new domain, you can buy one from GoDaddy or Namecheap. The links are provided in the description. Part 5. Page creation. Open ChatGPT to help us create pages for our website. Part 6. Menu. Part 7. Title and metadata. Select the Preferences menu and fill in the necessary information, such as page title, meta description, social sharing images, Google Analytics, etc. You can use ChatGPT to assist you with this. Part 8. Payments. You can choose a payment method for your shop from the payment providers menu. In this tutorial, we will use PayPal. After watch this tutorial, I hope you can create your own Shopify store. But if you have any question, please ask me in comment. I have a special offer for my followers. I can create a Shopify website from scratch for you for free. All you have to do is subscribe and leave me a comment. I will help you once I have free time, and I can only assist you with tasks that are explained in this video. For other tasks, please learn from my next videos. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video about how to use Midjourney for our website design. Thanks for watching.